Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating beauty and functionality within your personal spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into one of the most sought-after features for any modern backyard, the backyard garden with a fire pit. There's something truly magical about gathering around a crackling fire under the stars. It's the perfect blend of cozy warmth, social connection, and beautiful outdoor living. In this video, we're not just showing you fire pits. We're exploring how to seamlessly integrate them into a stunning garden design. We'll answer the most common questions, like what exactly a backyard garden with a fire pit means, what benefits it brings, and how you can decorate your own space to look absolutely beautiful. So, get ready to be inspired as we count down our top 10 best backyard garden with fire pit ideas. At its core, a backyard garden with a fire pit is a dedicated outdoor living space that combines the warmth and ambience of a fire pit with the natural beauty of a garden. It's more than just a fire pit plopped down in the middle of the lawn. It's a thoughtfully designed area where the fire pit serves as the central focal point, surrounded by comfortable seating, lush greenery, and decorative elements that create an inviting and cohesive environment. The garden aspect is crucial, as it softens the hardscape of the fire pit and seating area, bringing life, color, and texture to the space. It can be a simple ring of plants, a fully landscaped bed, or a series of container gardens that frame the area, making it a true extension of your home's living space. The benefits of creating this kind of space are numerous and extend far beyond just aesthetics. First and foremost, it creates a powerful focal point that naturally draws people together. A fire pit is a social hub, perfect for family gatherings, entertaining friends, or a quiet, romantic evening. This space encourages more time outdoors, away from screens and distractions, fostering conversation and connection. From a practical standpoint, a fire pit extends the usability of your backyard well into the cooler seasons and later into the evenings. You can enjoy your garden and patio long after the sun goes down, thanks to the warmth and light it provides. The garden elements, in turn, offer their own benefits. They can provide privacy, shade, and a habitat for local wildlife like butterflies and birds, enriching the entire ecosystem of your yard. The combination of fire and flora also creates a multi-sensory experience. The crackling sound of the fire, the pleasant scent of wood smoke, and the fragrance of blooming flowers all come together to create a truly immersive and relaxing atmosphere. Decorating your fire pit area to look beautiful is all about balance and creating a harmonious design. Start by considering the material of your fire pit and surrounding patio. Stone, pavers, or gravel can be softened with strategically placed garden beds. For a more cohesive look, choose plants that complement the style of your hardscaping. If you have a rustic stone fire pit, consider planting hardy, natural-looking perennials and grasses. For a modern, sleek fire pit, architectural plants like ornamental grasses or low-maintenance succulents can create a stunning contrast. Lighting is another key element. String lights, like the ones you see in many of our examples, create a magical, festive atmosphere. You can also use solar-powered path lights to illuminate walkways and uplighting to highlight specific plants or trees, adding drama and depth to the garden after dark. Don't forget to add comfortable seating with plenty of pillows and blankets for those chilly nights. Finally, accessorize with outdoor-safe lanterns, potted plants, and perhaps a small side table or two for drinks and snacks. The goal is to create a space that feels intentional, comfortable, and beautiful from every angle. Now let's get to the good stuff. Here are our top 10 favorite backyard garden with fire pit ideas, featuring some stunning examples to inspire your own project. One, the symmetrical garden oasis. This design showcases a beautifully symmetrical layout, with a circular gravel patio centered around a rustic stone fire pit. The space is divided into 4 equal quadrants, each filled with a variety of lush plants and shrubs that provide color and texture. The dark mulch in the garden beds creates a striking contrast with the light-colored pea gravel, making the greenery pop. Adirondack chairs offer comfortable seating, and the string lights overhead add a warm, festive glow, perfect for evening gatherings. This is a perfect example of a formal, yet inviting garden design that feels both organized and natural. 2. The cozy paved patio. This classic and inviting design features a beautifully paved circular patio with a central stone fire pit. The space is framed by a white privacy fence, creating a sense of intimacy. The Adirondack chairs are arranged for maximum comfort, complete with blankets and pillows. String lights crisscross overhead, and tiki torches provide a touch of exotic flair. The simple garden beds around the patio add a pop of green, while seasonal decor like the white pumpkins adds a personal and festive touch. It's a perfect example of how to make a suburban backyard feel like a custom-designed retreat. 3. The natural stone sanctuary. This fire pit area is a masterclass in integrating natural elements. The large, irregularly shaped flagstones for the patio and enormous boulders, used as seating and borders, give the space a rugged, organic feel. The circular fire pit, made of stacked stone, is the heart of this sanctuary. Lush, colorful plantings spill over the edges, creating a vibrant border that contrasts beautifully with the stone. The flickering tiki torches add a tropical flair and provide extra light and ambience, making it feel like a private resort getaway. 4. The curved bench conversation pit. This design is all about interaction and flow. The striking semicircular wooden bench, made of individual slats, perfectly hugs the circular fire pit area. The fire pit itself is a modern, low-profile bowl. The ground is covered with light gravel, which is neatly contained by a metal border. The surrounding lawn and garden beds are vibrant and full of color, creating a dynamic backdrop. This setup encourages conversation and provides a unique seating arrangement that is both a statement piece and a functional feature. 5. The modern minimalist fire bowl. This idea proves that less can be more. A large rustic steel fire bowl is the main attraction, sitting on a bed of fine gravel. The seating is a single large timber log, offering a simple and sculptural bench. The background features a striking wood stack wall and a water feature, adding texture and sound to the space. The planting is sparse but intentional, with low-maintenance shrubs and grasses that complement the natural, raw materials. This design is perfect for those who appreciate clean lines and an industrial chic aesthetic. 6. The built-in bench fire pit. This design maximizes space and creates a cozy, enclosed feel with a built-in curved stone bench. The fire pit is an octagonal shape, integrated seamlessly into the bench, making it a highly functional and social space. The tiered landscaping behind the bench features a mix of textures from tall, slender cypress trees to a deep red Japanese maple. Integrated lighting under the bench highlights the stonework and provides a soft, ambient glow, making this a perfect spot to relax and unwind after sunset. 7. The modern minimalist retreat. For those who prefer a clean and contemporary aesthetic, this idea is a winner. The square stone pavers and dark gravel create a sleek, modern foundation. A circular bed of black river rock and ornamental grasses surrounds the fire pit and clean-lined wooden chairs with plush white cushions. The planting is deliberate and architectural, with a mix of grasses, hostas, and flowering ground cover that adds softness without cluttering the space. The large, mature trees provide a sense of scale and privacy, completing this sophisticated backyard retreat. 8. The sunken lounge fire pit. This design takes backyard entertaining to the next level with a sunken conversation pit. A large wooden deck is built on multiple levels, with the fire pit at the lowest point. The built-in seating is adorned with an array of colorful pillows, adding a vibrant and playful touch. The square, modern fire pit is made of concrete, creating a beautiful contrast with the warm wood. Integrated LED strip lighting under the benches adds a futuristic and warm glow, making this a spectacular spot for nighttime gatherings. 9. The rustic sandbox fire pit. This creative and cozy idea is perfect for a more casual, family-friendly space. The square fire pit area is bordered by a raised wooden planter box that doubles as a built-in bench. The ground is filled with sand, giving it a beachy, relaxed vibe. A simple modern fire bowl is placed in the center. The combination of the warm wood tones, white sand, and simple greenery creates a welcoming and laid-back atmosphere. It's a great option for a small backyard and offers a unique textural experience. 10. The Southwestern Desert Garden. Inspired by adobe architecture and desert landscapes, this fire pit area is unique and full of character. A circular flagstone patio surrounds a simple stone fire pit. The backdrop is a beautiful orange-toned wall with rustic accents and a vintage wooden door. The garden is a riot of color, featuring a mix of desert-friendly plants, wildflowers, and ornamental grasses. This design shows how a fire pit can be the centerpiece of a highly personalized and culturally inspired garden, creating a truly one-of-a-kind space. We hope these 10 incredible backyard garden with fire pit ideas have sparked some creativity and given you the inspiration you need to transform your own outdoor space. Whether you're drawn to a rustic, natural look or a sleek, modern design, there's a fire pit and garden style for everyone. Remember, the best backyard is one that you love and that brings you closer to nature and the people you care about. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor living ideas and inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for